Welcome to Nonsecure. Please subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to find non-secure HTTP URLs in our text. We are going to use regular expressions in Python. We will have a multi-line string, and our aim is to find all occurrence of valid URLs that start with the prefix HTTP. First, I'm going to import RE. Non-secure URL starts with HTTP protocol, and secure protocols are HTTPS. So we are going to look for non-secure and print all those non-secure URLs. Now we will have our text. This is our multi-line string, and it will contain some text and URLs. This is not secure URL. Some domain.com, and this is our secure URL, and not secure. And we are going to see of example of a non-valid URL, some non-valid youtube.com. And I'm just gonna end the string. Now I'm going to define our regular expression for this to parse the non-secure URL. In our regular expression, we will analyze a given multi-line string, the string that I just defined, and we are going to find all URLs that start with the string prefix HTTP colon forward slash and forward slash, two forward slashes. The regular expression expects a positive number of lowercase characters, numbers, underscore, hyphens, or dots. Like this one over here. Let's define our regular expression. Non-secure links we will get by calling re dot find all, and then add our regular expression http colon two forward slashes and character A to Z, all lower cases, numbers are 0 to 9, and underscore and hyphen. We need to escape the hyphen with backslash because it normally indicates a rate within the square brackets. And we also need to escape the dot by using a backslash before it, because we want to match the dot and not an arbitrary character. After hyphen, we have a dot We need to close it. And then plus sign. And we need to escape the dot. And then again, same A to Z, 0 to 9, underscore, backslash, hyphen, and then forward slash, and then plus, and then we need to pass in our text. And now we are going to print our non-secure links. Save our script and run. And we get these non-secure URLs printed for us. So this way you can find a non-secure URL in your text or the text you get from your page or the links you have, and then you can move to the more secure HTTPS protocol. So this comes very handy for the programmers. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.